How's it? Good morning everyone, welcome back. Today we're here in Alberton, in Redruth, Starrenberg complex. We're going to quickly replace the Centurion D10 to a Centurion D6 Smart. Client feels the need to upgrade it to a smart gate motor. Plenty that we need to do. You need to replace the wheels, lift the gate rail, put in a gate guide bracket at the back, because you can see that it's grinding into the wall. So yeah, it's going to be an interesting sight. Let's see how it goes. Should be going smooth sailing as always. Alright, let's quickly see how far we've come so far. We have removed the Centurion D10 sliding gate motor. Bunch of horrible connections there. We've basically welded into position a new 30x3 angle iron. We're busy at the back. Right, 10 to 12, 4 hours in. Just welded the gate motor steel base plate into position. There's a nice steel platform which allowed us to weld it. There you can see it. And then obviously the gate guide rail been welded in. You can see it looks like a banana, but it needs to follow the gate track. Basically that's what it follows. So it's one thing trying to putting it level, and then your wheel is never always in the center of your steel flat bar that it's rolling on. So you want it always in the center, and that's why it looks like that, because it's following basically the gate track down at the bottom. Okay, cool. I'm going to quickly cut off the steel rack, and then we can re-weld that into position. Right, 2 o'clock, this is where we are now. Gate motor has been secured, gate rail has been welded into position. This is a complex, which means is you'll have to need much more support brackets on your gate rail. So there's plenty of them in here. Just quickly painting. So what we're now doing is connecting all of the electrical wires, and then we'll do programming and all of the remote transmitters and infrared gate beams and the anti-theft bracket. Right, we're done. I'm going to quickly show you, we added some brackets on the anti-theft, so you can't just get to the pins and hacksaw them off. It prevents you basically from getting in. What just want to add here, you'll see that there's some numbers on the gate motor. That's the serial number that we've put on there, plus the address, all of that. So guys, if you want your gate motor done properly first time around, these are the guys that you need to call. 40 083 778 2288. or Amanda 0837192250. Go check out smartgates.co.za or exquisitesecurity.co.za. At last we're done. Let's quickly test this gate motor. D6 Smart, Centurion D6 Smart. There's your gate guide, roller bar, bracket, and it follows it all the way. So there's no gouging anymore into the concrete wall. Give Pottie a call, 083 778 2288. We're based in Gauteng. We stay in Heidelberg and we drive the whole Gauteng and do everyone's installations for them. That's it. Sweet. Thanks for watching, guys.